What's going on, YouTube? How's everybody doing today? We're making our way to the creek. The river, Elk River to be specific. Let's see if we can catch anything that will bite today. It's a little windy. We're fixing to get down there. Hopefully we'll catch something. Let me get geared up. Alright guys, let's get the line swept. I'm using a very tiny little jig. Let's see what commits to bite. Let's try our second cast. We're just gonna let it sink. It's gonna take some time since it's very small. Oh, thought I had a bite. It's probably just structure. Yeah, first fish of the day. Nice. Oh, he ain't happy. I'm gonna take a quick pic. There we go. Let's let him go. Thanks for being on the show. I'm gonna take one more picture. Thank you. Yes. This one's way bigger because as you can see, I upgraded my hook. Come on, birdie, stop. Much bigger. Oh. Bigger fish. Oh, sorry, buddy. There we go. We'll call that a quick release. Oh, come on. He went under this rock. Get out of there. Yeah. Woo. I knew he wouldn't resist this one. Quit. Come on, buddy. Look, perfect hook. So. Nice picture, like always. God damn, another one? Sorry, buddy. Oh. Guys are getting bigger now. Nice picture. Yep. Let's get him, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Y'all, this is heavy. I'm not sure what this is. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Guys, I keep losing my lures. Wow. Woo! Nice. I haven't caught a big one in a hot minute. Look how big this mouth is. Thank you, buddy. I haven't caught in a big one in a minute. Y'all, look at this one. Woo! Wow. That's crazy. Let's see if I can get. Alright, y'all, let's release this bad boy. Woo! I've been catching it right there. Yeah, my camera was off with no spots. Let's let him go. Alright, y'all. I had fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to a friend, to a family member. Peace.